media marketing is a good method of improving our visibility. Chaitanya says pop-up ads. Yes, pop-up ads is also a good method of uh, marketing. And in social media, if I hope everyone have seen the Facebook ads, which are very popular. This is an ad. I must be searching something related to lead or some product, so they are showing me this ad, and after that, I was looking for some product management tool for my different team in different projects. So this was a tool even I was looking. So it's showing ads, not only ads. It's about people promoting themselves organically. Also, like in Delhi wholesale market, somebody is doing something. I don't know. Uh, Huffington is promoting themselves, their product. Okay. Then Gaurav is promoting something, and I don't know. A lot of people are promoting a lot of things. Like this guy is promoting something. 𝐸𝐸𝐿 is doing something. Then 𝒁𝒂𝒃 is doing something. Okay, so it's organically also it's possible. Okay, like 𝐷𝐞𝐜𝐴 talking about something because they want to increase the traffic. So that is how organically also it works. So it's not just the paid medium, and it will be organic also. Like future t-shirts will be like, oh my god. So he's promoting his services where he do the custom printing of t-shirts. So this is a good idea also. So that is also organic promotions as well as paid promotions. Apart from that, anyone else would like to add other mediums? Go ahead, guys, quickly.
Websites, blogs.
Yeah, correct. Website and blog are the fundamental requirement of any digital marketing product, but because everyone see everything at a lot of places, but how they will convert on social media. They will not convert on social media. They will either convert on website or they will convert on the uh, on the app. So you have to have either of them or both of them. Anything else anyone would like to add?
SMS also, I think one can use.
Sorry.
Marketing through SMS.
Yeah, that is also a good method.
To share the messages
Tanya says, sorry, Tanya, please go ahead.
to share the messages by friends of friends in social media. It was also
Yeah, that is the organic form of marketing.
yes, sir.
Then Rajiv says TikTok ads are emerging now. This is also social media ads. Tanya says hashtag. Hashtag is not a form of marketing. It's a growth hacking tool to popularize it. Sport promoting at sports event, that is not online. It's an offline. unless and until you're promoting it on OTT platforms like Hotstar and all. Tanya says campaigns, yes, paid media campaigns. Sushmita says WhatsApp marketing. Uh, I don't know how legal its WhatsApp marketing is. Till now, it becomes legal, so it's not a form actually, I would say, but a lot of people do that. Even we do that. Nothing wrong in it. Then Aditya seminars. Seminars is a form of putting your product. It's not a method of marketing. It's not a medium of marketing. Aditya. Sushmita says influencer marketing. Yes, it's a good tool to market. Nobody said, I don't know. Nobody talked about display ads, like display ads running on various websites like Times of India. Even you can see a Harpic ad over here. This is run by Times Network only, and but you can also see some ads over here by Google also. Okay, so that is one of the great methods to market yourself, market
So
your
isn't
product and services. Yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, so isn't display ad and pop-up ad the same?
No,
Was
pop-up ad is one of the type of display ads. Pop-up ad will pop up on your screen. Okay, whereas display ad can be a part of the content. I hope you got your answer.
can you just show an example of it?
Pop-up, I don't have an example of it because pop-up ads keep on changing, whereas the example of display ad would be this. And for pop-up ads, give me a second. If I have something in library, okay, this is an example of a pop-up ad.
Okay, okay, got it.
Page, it appears in between and stopping you from doing any other act.
Got it. Thanks.
Uh, what about other mediums, guys? Think of it. Other mediums could be QR marketing, which you see everywhere. Paytm QR scan codes. Okay, that is a form of digital marketing. Then SMS, WhatsApp, everyone said it. Apart from that, uh, email marketing is also a form of digital marketing only. Then content marketing, which is a big portion of marketing that comes under SEO. SEO and content goes in parallel to each other. So that is also a form of marketing. So these are primarily the form of marketing, and rest depends upon requirements and needs of. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the next step. That next step is bringing targeted visitors. So when you run ads, when you do promotions, you increase your visibility, whether it's paid, free, influencer, whatever method you use. So the result of that visibility would be that people will come on your website page or your blog page or your fan page, means social media pages, or the specific landing page for specific products you have created. Sorry. Uh, Now my question comes here. Whenever we do any sort of visibility, any method we use to improve our visibility, we get people, we get the visitors. So I want to understand the visitors who are coming to our website, to blog page, fan page, or landing page. Are they potential customer or they are just traffic? If you are saying both, then who is in majority? The potential customers are in majority or the traffic is in majority? My question is to everyone. You can type into the chat box quickly. It's potential customer or it's traffic or both. And if both, then who's in majority? Rajiv says traffic. Chaitanya says traffic. Okay.
Traffic customers, sir.
Who was that? Sorry.
Shiva.
Shiva. Shiva says traffic. Jaideep says potential customer. Sushmita says both. Then out of both, who is in majority? Aditya and Sushmita. Question to you. Who are in majority? More than 50% will be your traffic, or more than 50% will be your potential customer.
So potential customers will be in more like as
Okay.
compared to traffic.
Okay, Aditya, point taken. Then Sushmita says potential customer. Rajiv says traffic get converted to customers. Okay, because it's usually targeted digital marketing campaign. Tanya says potential customers. Rajiv says the conversion rate is around 1 to 10%. Okay, wonderful answers. A lot of guys have explained. I give you a basic example of it. Like, I come on Times of India to read something, and I see an ad that some TV, although I have seen that like 3 4 weeks back, this series which is coming. If I'm interested, I will click on it and go and buy the subscription. If I'm interested, I will go on Times Prime, buy their product. If I'm interested, okay. If I have to buy a website, I will click and go on it. If I don't uh, need them, then I will not click in any of